this is a visual video. I have used orange and blue and white for this color combination that I have created. It first starts out, as you can see here, as a star. So once you complete the star in the spaces that go this direction, I did diamonds, and then I did 5 by 5 squares in the corners that go toward the corners. And then I just kind of followed the design. So since these were slanted, I did some little arrows. And then the rest, I just filled it in white. So it was really fun, very pretty colors. I call it a quilt. You can use any colors that you want. I did the orange and blue. I thought that would turn out really beautiful, and it did. So I'm very happy with that. So, and as you can see here where I have filled in the white, what I've done is, since these were at angles, I filled them in, and then I made these just their own little piece. And then this here, its own little section. And it turned out beautiful. I absolutely love this. It absolutely turned out beautiful. The white brought it together. And then the lid, oh, that was so fun. I'd never done one like this. So basically what I did is, in each corner, I did 2 white squares, and then once I finished those, I did the 5 by 5, but the blue, I did 4 rows on this section, and then 3 orange. Then I went back and did 3 blue and 4 orange, so that the blue touched the orange. And then the same here, 4 orange, 3 blue, and then 3 orange, and then 4 blue. So I pretty much did that. I love it. It turned out so cute. I think I'm going to do more lids like this. I mean, it's really cute. And it looks perfect with the side pieces, as you can see. Because, you know, the white in the corner, and then the white here. So it turned out really cute. Now you can complete the design and do orange here and orange here. But I just wanted to do a lot of white for this one. I don't know why. Sometimes the design tells me what to do. When I first started, I just grabbed some colors and said, okay, here we go. Let's see what's going to happen. So that's pretty much how it usually turns out. Is me just trying to figure out what it's going to look like. So, and like I said, the lid turned out so cool. So cool, so cool, so cool. So you can screenshot that if you want to do the lid or this pattern. I left it blank in the white area so you can finish it how you want, because you already know how to find the center of your canvas. You already know how to do the star, and then the rest you just make it up as you go. So there's that when it's completed. If you want to complete it this way, if you want to finish off orange here, you can do that as well. But I just like the way the white squares, I don't know, just turned out pretty cool, because you've got the white here, so I thought that would be cool. But I love the orange and blue together. I think that it turned out beautiful. So with that being said, I hope that you are inspired to make this design, and I look forward to seeing your ideas and creativity, and I hope that you will share this with others and inspire them to create really cool stuff with plastic canvas. So you can do this with a coaster, you can do this on a tissue box, you just scale down the design. So, but you can pretty much do anything with this design. It's just a little quilt design that I love to do a lot of times. And it's quick and it's easy and it's fast, because they're big chunks of color. You know, it's big chunks of color. So it goes pretty quick. So you can make a couple of these, you know, a week. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like the tutorials and the visual videos. If you have any comments, suggestions, tips, ideas, or need to correct me, please leave that in the comments section. Have a wonderful day. And have a blessed day.